corrected as right or wrong. We also have diagrammatic questions in order to facilitate a better learning and better question practice for our students. And next, the open-ended questions. These questions are structured in order to support the learners with their understanding and conceptual competency levels with the respective subtopic. In order to answer your questions, please type in your answers in the respective dialog box, and once you've completed it, please click on AI marker. A well-trained AI agent is right here to help you in answering to your exam question. Each and every question will be evaluated based on the quality of the answer, and we will provide to you the respective analysis and feedback on your performance. What you did well, what can be improved, and the correct answer is captured in the answer scheme. This provides our students with the amazing ability of having their own personalized AI data. Similarly, all questions are programmed in order to support our learners with their conceptual understanding. In order to answer and evaluate your structured questions, we urge students to answer to all parts of the structured questions available and click on Submit. Your personalized AI agent will now analyze the quality of your answers and provide a detailed feedback on your answering technique and areas for improvement included.